Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Naoris Protocol Testnet Airdrop, which is currently ongoing, and how you can be able to do it. Also, this is a DePIN airdrop similar to Grass, Nodepay, Dawn, the Speed, Teneo Protocol, Blockmesh, etc. Okay, so it's part of the DePIN ecosystem and it is a testnet airdrop. Okay, and in this video is specifically how you can be able to do this testnet airdrop with your PC. I'm also going to show how you can be able to do it on your mobile phone on a video next. Every single thing here is just going to be on how you can be able to do Naoris Protocol using your PC or your laptop. So if that's in interest you, please, my name is Naoris Profits. You can like, share, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel, link in the description, where I post similar updates about crypto and every single thing related to the Web3 as well as finance space. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you click the link in the description as well as the pinned link in the comments, it will firstly take you to this official website, which is the Naoris Protocol Testnet Airdrop website. So every single thing related to the Naoris is already spelled out here on their official website. And the first thing that you need to be able to do once you have been able to click on the link, once you navigate to on the website, is to be able to install the Naoris Protocol Wallet Chrome extension. The Wallet Chrome extension that you need to be able to install in your computer. As you can see, I have a lot of airdrop extensions that I already have installed on my PC. So when you click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, it shows you the wallet protocol, which is here on the Chrome web store. Okay, on the Chrome web store, then you can be able to press on it. Mine is still loading quite a bit, is slightly slowed down in network, and it is pretty much a little bit high, around 34 MB for it to be able to download. I don't know why the network is having some slight issues. After you have installed the Chrome extension, make sure you come here and add it as a pinned message on your Chrome browser. Okay, as you can see, this is mine as well as every other airdrop that I'm also currently farming. Then once you are done with that, the next step for you to be able to do is to go to the official website that is on the NPN MP wallets and create a wallet there. So here I did not go to the website, I did not do that. Okay, I did not connect my website. I went to the extension, the Chrome extension, which is what I went to. That's where I went to, and this is what it is showing me. So the first thing that I need to do, since it's a new user, is to be able to create a new wallet. So I have to click on creating a new wallet. Then every single thing related to this privacy policy as well as terms and conditions, I'll click on accept and submit. Click on accept and submit. Then my seed phrases will all show up. Okay, all my seed phrases will all show up. Then what I should be able to do is to save my seed phrases. First, I can go back to it. Then the next objective is for you to be able to fill in your seed phrases inside the application, inside the requirement, so that it can be able to activate your accounts. Once you have confirmed your seed phrases, the next thing for you to be able to do is to add your wallet, okay, as well as your password. So creating your wallet password here. So you can be able to add any password of your choice. Okay. Then in addition to that, you can be able to use the referral link showing on the screen at the moment for you to be able to sign up. Okay. You can use the referral link showing on your screen for you to be able to sign up. Once you have signed up and clicked on every single thing that's confirm, it will open this place for you. Okay, and it will tell you to be able to set up some of these steps. One is to make or add your Naoris wallet as a pinned extension on your Chrome extension, which is what I've already done, then return to the open tab and start the testnet. That's the testnet on the website. So we have done it. That's added it here, as you can see right here. Then the second thing is to open the website and start the testnet. So I'll click on here. This is the particular website. So here is the start the testnet section, okay? And I'm just going to click on start the testnet. Then I've already installed the wallet. So connect to the testnet. That I'll start the testnet. I'll click on it. Then thanks, you'll be redirected to Naoris Protocol task shortly. Okay, so it's waiting for, I'm waiting for it to be able to redirect me to the wallet. In addition to that, I can also, since I'm already here, I can also firstly start connecting my wallet on the website. Then I can connect it again to my Naoris wallet, which is already here. Select the first account and choose. Then install protocol browser. That's install Naoris Protocol browser security node. I can be able to just press install. These are part of the task that you should be able to execute while doing them. So installing it is just a simple thing in terms of the Chrome extension, which is basically the same thing. So I'll just click on it and allow it to load. Okay, allow it to load while moving forward. So probably it will just take some time on for it to be able to get through first. Just 2 minutes for it to be able to get through here. Then as you can see, this is my wallet address and I'm already logged in into my testnet account. I'm already logged in. So after that, I believe the next thing will be to log into your X account and be able to claim your testnet points and be doing the testnets. So this is what I'm currently waiting for. So I'll just wait till I get the entire node browser setting completely done and proceed to moving forward to the other task for the airdrop. So as you can see, I'm waiting for it and it is just about to get loaded. This is 1 second from now. Okay, and it has actually fully downloaded on my PC. Okay, it has actually downloaded on my PC. So basically just waiting for it to be able to finalize its installation. Then it has actually added, as you can see right here, it has actually added there. So the next, since I have installed it, I believe this place should also give me a leverage for me to be able to connect. Okay, and yeah, it has. So the browser has also been installed and the same activities is also being requested. So I'll just click on here again and pin it on my browser. Wow, a lot of my tabs are getting really crowded. So I'll return back to the original website again, and as you can see, I've already installed it. So it is now currently changing for me. So I've already installed it. Then next is to be able to log in with my X account. So I'll just click on it again to be able to log in with my X account. So I'm doing this thing with my X, which is also on PC, which is also logged in into my account. Every single thing here is done using my PC. But if you can be able to do it, I'll just authorize. This is my account. I'll authorize the application for it to be able to be registered on my X account. Okay, for it to be able to register on my X account. So it also redirected me here, and I believe I have installed the app, done the X login, which you can see right here, and the last one is to be able to follow them on X for additional testnet points. So I'll just click on follow and proceed So it will allow, it will load entirely. Then it will open X for me to be able to do the final task and complete every single thing. Please make sure that you are taking DePIN airdrop seriously. Okay, DePIN airdrops are very crucial now, and likelihood of them printing enough will be really high. Okay, so I'm talking of the likes of Nodepay, I'm talking of the likes of Grass, as well as I'm talking of the likes of Dawn, Blessed Network, GAEA, Teneo Protocol, and a whole bunch of other stuff. So as you can see, this is Naoris. I've just followed them and done their testnet. As you are seeing, this is currently at January 31st that they have actually done it. So I'll just come here and claim my points. So I'll press on my testnet points, and all tasks have been completed. So every single thing related to doing this has been completed. So points will be added to your dashboard, and I'll just press on it and wait for it to be able to claim for me. Then this is my private key. So we appreciate that you receive a faucet looking for this, and I'll just have to press my password, press in my password here. And I have actually claimed all my points. Okay, I've actually claimed all my points. So now I'm fully inside the Testnet account. I'm fully inside the Testnet. Every single thing related to Naoris has been done by me. Okay, so I can now be able to do the particular activities related to the airdrop and continue farming them. A typical example, I can press the Galxe quest, connect to Explorer, validator node, that's being a validator for testnet, agent testnet, and decentralized trust mesh, staking, Naoris blockchain, as well as agent validator. Mind you, you just have to take in them one after the other. So the social media quest, I can just open it on a new tab and show you guys how the social media texts work entirely. So every single thing here is just an in-depth video of how you can be able to do these things. So every single thing here is on the Galxe network. So their social media quest is just to follow them on Galxe, and yeah, which is just right here. Follow them on Galxe entirely, that's their own. Then the other things, which is right here, you can be able to do their Galxe quest and connect their Naoris Explorer, connect on the Explorer, which I'll also open on a new tab so that you can be able to see it alongside. Once you are done with the first, the second, your points keep adding up for you. Your points keep adding up for you. Then, as you are seeing, this is, let's say this is my account. I'll just open it on a new tab again. This is my Naoris account. Let me just open it and log in. Here is my login. Okay, so not much because it will still be added to my account entirely. It's still a DePIN testnet, but it will still be added to my assets. My asset will still be added for me. So I'll just go here and be doing their task, that's joining them Wallet Connect or MetaMask for logging in to their Galxe tokens, their Galxe. Okay, so basically every single thing related to the airdrop task is just right here. It's just right here. So you just need to be able to do them all the time and keep doing them. I don't want the video to be long, but to do this social media quest is not difficult. It's not difficult. Very, very easy to be able to pull off. And you don't need to sweat or do anything different for you to be able to do it. So you just view their transactions, as well as their blocks, basic task that you need to be able to do. Then click on explore. That's what you just need to do here in this case, explore. Then make some transactions on it. Try your best to be able to do things. That's explore the whole ecosystem. Then you can be able to start earning your points. Let's say this one, which is the connect to their network, I'll just press on my Chrome extension, which is what I want to use to connect. I can be able to connect with it, and hopefully, yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's still loading on it. Then I've just connected on their Explorer. This is their Explorer. I've just connected on it. It's still slightly loading. Since it's a testnet, it's just still slightly loading. Then these are like every single thing that you need to be doing. Just the tasks are just self-explanatory and easy to do. Nothing too serious or too groundbreaking. If you do it, you can be able to get how to do the Naoris Protocol Testnet Airdrop. Mind you, Naoris is something quite big, a golden tick on their profile, as well as also fairly new, and what they are trying to solve is just based on security in this blockchain space, also in the DePIN ecosystem, as well as a testnet airdrop, which is something in trend. So that's how to be able to do the Naoris Protocol Airdrop Testnet. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.